Don't block your face. Don't block your face. Okay. I will explain now. Good afternoon, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming to IPD Central today. Okay, today, 3rd October 2021. All of us have gathered here. We have Indians, we have Chinese, we have Sabahans, we have Sarawakians, we have Malays. I think Siti Kasim is okay, she's there. Alright. This is regarding Ustaz. This Ustaz by name of Shakir Nasoha. Alright. He has insulted the Hindus, the Buddhists, as well as the Dayak community in Malaysia. Okay. In his video, he has stated, alright, the YouTube video by name of under the name of Nak Syurga Tapi Takut Nak Berjuang, and also another video called 5 Bidang Ilmu Dalam Al-Quran. Okay, here he has mentioned that the end of time, during the end of time, the kafirs, okay, or the infidels will be coming to attack the Muslims, are scrambling to kill them, to kill the Muslims, the kafirs. Another one, what he mentioned is, who is bombing the mosque and killing the Muslims in Thailand? Is the Buddhist people. Okay. And another statement he has mentioned that who is killing the Muslims in Pakistan, who is killing the Muslims in India? They are Hindus. The Hindus are the one who are killing the Muslims. And he said, remember, these both religion, the Buddhists and the Hindus, are residing here with us in Malaysia. Alright. And then another line he said, who killed the Indonesia and Indonesian Muslims and Papua New Guinea? Okay, Papua New Guinea and Indonesia. The Dayak people. The Dayak people are the one who killed, raped, slaughtered the Muslim men and raped the Muslim women. All right. And he says that the kafirs here in Malaysia are to destroy, as they dislike and hate Muslims. But our Muslims here in Malaysia are supporting them, sitting together and befriending the kafirs or the non-believers of Islam. Alright. And here during his TikTok video, during a TikTok video, there's this person under the name of ID Karebet. Okay. What he said is, okay, he gave a comment under his video. He said that before the Muslims be killed, let's all of us start killing the kafirs from now onwards. Okay, this is the evidence. We got the screenshot, but of course they have removed it. They have removed the evidence, and as well as the TikTok. Okay, the TikTok has been removed, but we managed to get the evidence. Okay. All right. Okay. Where's my bag? Sorry, I need my bag. I need my documents. Please hold the document. Okay, what I want to say here is, this issue, this matter is happening rampantly, non-stop. The non-Muslims in Malaysia is deliberately being attacked, the religion. So I don't know what plan is this, what is happening. Alright, we were quiet. I made my police report. The first time I made was 2017. I made for the entire Malaysia for unity and harmony. It's not only for Hindus, but for Buddhists, for the Sikh, for the Taoists, for the Christians, for the Catholics. But I believed in the rule of system, in the rule of our law. I believed in the constitution. We made our reports, but it went nowhere. And it's still happening continuously. In 2018, I lodged a report against two preachers, two Mualaf preachers, with complete evidence. I think you all have seen my court case. Complete evidence. It went nowhere. I gave a memorandum to 7 ministries. Again, it went into a deaf ears. I've been lodging a police report together with the team since 2017, 18, 19, 20. Now it's 21. 5 years non-stop. But today we are fed up. We are really fed up. Enough is enough. We are fed up. These people are deliberately attacking us non-stop. Now, I want to question Jakim. Jakim, you come in front and you said, isu hina agama Islam akan dibawa ke Raja-Raja Majlis Melayu. Okay? And then you said again, Deputy Ahmad Mazuk Shari. This was 22nd June 2020. Okay, Malaysia is a Muslim majority country, but please respect the Muslim religion. Muslim is being attacked, questioned. Jakim Tubuh Unit Pantau Hina Islam. This was during Dr. Mujahid time, during Pakatan Harapan. Okay, now I'm going to say, Jakim, you are hypocrite. You are a hypocrite.
Yeah, you are
all right?
hypocrite.
Because why? Here we have all the evidence, and here Jakim, the function of Jakim. I just want to let you all know the.
1 second, can we have city here?
Please,
Okay.
come.
Come in. Come. Come.
We welcome Siti Kasim to join us. Okay.
Okay, here Jakim is funded by taxpayers' money. Is written here. All right, taxpayers' money. They received 1.4 billion ringgit last year allocation. Okay, here is written Jakim's role. I'm talking about Jakim's role to promote a harmonious relationship among all Malaysians. Okay, and at the same time, Jakim functions as coordinating, developing Islamic education. That means good values. That's what they have written here. Enhance the process of nurturing good universal values among school children. Universal values and promoting civic awareness as required by Islam. Islamic education to produce good civic-minded Malaysians. Are you doing all this, Jakim? I have given a memorandum to Jakim themselves at 2018. Okay, a full memorandum. I've already explained to them what's happening. Please manage this issue. Now deliberately preachers pendakwa under the name of comparison of religion. What nonsense is that? What is the meaning of comparison of religion? Can I compare that my mother is better than your mother?
Wow, good one.
Why are you interfering with other people's religion matters? You should be talking about goodness of Islam, the humbleness of Islam, the kindness of Islam. But why do you need to talk about others' religions, faiths and beliefs? This is what we are asking. Today we are fed up. We came down here because we are really fed up. We had enough.
Yes, enough.
Now, okay, on 1st September 2021, Home Minister Dato Sri Hamzah Zainuddin says, okay, all kind of people issuing statements which could incite others, cause public fear. Okay, an appropriate action will be taken against them. So I am demanding an appropriate action to be taken against them. Now I am going to talk about another body, Suakam. Suakam has been operating in Malaysia for the past 21 years. Okay, what have you done, Suakam?
Nothing.
Huh? Louder, tell.
Nothing.
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 Well, in defense of Suhakam, they don't have any enforcement power. But I think you guys must understand they have spoken up
Okay.
for people who have been oppressed.
We don't want merely press statement from Suakam.
Action.
We want action. We want action.
Exactly.
They should handle this because they are the Commission of Human Rights in Malaysia, and they are receiving 10 million ringgit per annum budget.
No, I think we should focus.
Yes.
This role is the government role. They are in charge of Suhakam ka, police ka.
Okay. Now I would like to talk about the Ministry of Unity. Ministry of Unity has mentioned that the racial and religious hatred bill not to be tabled in the parliament. Now we are demanding that the racial and religious hatred bill must be tabled in the parliament. This is to protect the unity and the harmony of all Malaysians. This is what we are asking. All right. And where's the file just now? I just want to show you something.
No, there's no
The
file.
file.
You're taken.
Yeah.
You're
Okay.
taken.
This one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Why I'm saying we need a racial and religious, okay, harmony bill to be tabled.
This is the latest one, huh?
This is the latest
Yesterday's one.
Okay.
Yesterday's issue.
one. Okay. I just want to show you the importance of having it. There's one more actually. There's one more. Just check. I got it.
Okay.
Okay. Today I'm going to make this person famous, huh? He has closed his Facebook.
Borhan Che Rahim.
Borhan
Che Rahim.
Okay. Okay. Kutip India Keling. Okay, thanks. Kutip India Keling. That means he's an 18 years old girl. Huh? She's a Malaysian.
A Malaysia badminton player.
Okay. See what he has mentioned in his comment.
Malaysian star.
Okay. This was shared in the Facebook. He erased it, he deleted and he closed down his Facebook. Okay.
Why this is happening? Why?
And here you can see the comment, huh? You can see the comment. I'm going to read to you, huh? Okay lah, at least ada juga yang bangga ingin berkongsi kejayaan yang dibawa oleh pendatang. You know what's the problem with this? This core problem is from the government itself.
Failure of them.
Yes,
Failure
the
of the
MPs,
government.
the ministers in the parliament, they always call people pendatang, penumpang. Huh? What kind of leaders are you? First thing, stop this bloody thing. Calling people pendatang. Treat everybody as Malaysians with respect.
Yes.
This is what we are asking.
Yes.
Now I want to challenge the MPs, the ministers, okay? I forget about the Indian and Chinese, the non-Muslim MPs, they won't have the guts to do it.
Yeah.
If they do it, okay, they'll be in trouble or they'll be labeled as anti-Islam or anti-Melayu. I am challenging the Malay Muslim MPs in the parliament, ministers as well, who got the guts to speak about racial and religious
In parliament.
in parliament. This is what we are demanding, okay?
Yes.
We don't want to go, another level.
Betul.
We are fed up. We will take it. We have been quiet for the past 5 years. We were quiet because we believe in the system. We trusted the system.
We respect
But nothing. I have to take up these 2 pictures to the court. That also the DPP can say that, ini NFA lah.
No further action.
But with evidence, no further action. So when it comes to the non-Muslim, it's double standard. Why is there a double standard law and policies when it comes to the non-Muslims? Aren't we all Malaysians? Yeah. What's the meaning of satu keluarga when you anak tiri kan keluarga ni? Huh? So this is what we are demanding. We want this person to be arrested.
Immediately.
The Ustaz, this man must be arrested immediately.
Why he run away?
Okay.
Why did he
Not
run
only
away?
arrested, but also charged.
Charged. Yes.
A
Okay.
lot of them arrested, but never charged.
Correct.
They will arrest. After few days, they'll be let
Charge and
go.
convict.
Or there's
No
nothing.
further action.
No further action. We are fed up.
We are
Now
fed
we are
up of
demanding for racial and religious hatred bill to be tabled in the parliament. If Dato Sri Halimah can't do it, find
Step
someone
down.
else to do it. You
Step
go
down.
out.
You cannot do step down.
There's no point if we want to have a defunct organization like Ministry of Unity, like JAKIM, or even the SWAKAM. Do your part. You are interested. 10 million per annum is a huge sum.
Our money.
You
taxpayers'
can't do
money.
it, come straight out and say that we can't do it. We will take over. That's it.
Correct. Because it's all taxpayers' money. We have the right.
Pardon? Pardon?
Nationwide,
We are doing it nationwide.
Many.
Penang, Perak,
Johor.
Sarawak,
Kuantan,
Johor,
Kuantan,
Negeri Sembilan, I think.
Negeri
Seremban.
Sembilan, Kuantan, Melaka.
Kuantan, Melaka.
17
Districts.
districts.
Sabah, Sarawak.
17. Sabah, Sarawak.
Sabah,
Many
Sarawak.
Sabah, Sarawak.
I have Mr. Kindi here from Sarawak. Okay, Mr. Kindi.
How many police
Okay.
report are expected?
3 of them came.
Today,
I want to check lah.
3,000.
About that lah, the whole
3,000.
Malaysia. But it will be coming more
Minimum
actually.
will be 3,000 by today.
It depends on the SOP lah.
Here
Individual
today,
reports. We are making individual
Individual.
reports.
Yep.
today we are gathered here. This is not a Hindu problem only. This is a Malaysian problem.
National problem.
National issue.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
So we have the Buddhists here, we have Taoists, we have Christians, we have Catholic, we have Hindus, and we have a Muslim as well with us today. Yes. It's a Muslim.
Yes.
She's a Muslim. We have Muslims here standing because for the unity and harmony of Malaysia.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
How many police report were made here?
Here,
Today,
I think about 100.
no, 200.
200, yeah? 100 plus, 200.
I can make now
200.
Yeah,
Yeah, we can make it
Yes,
now.
there are more coming.
No,
Yes.
we are continuing to make. Continue to make.
We will be continue making police reports non-stop.
Okay, okay. There are many who have placed their names to come today,
Respect
but they couldn't attend because of the PKP situation, the COVID, the elderly people. But thank you very much for all the moral support which was given by them. I would like to thank IPD Sintul as well to accommodate us here. All right, and I have my Sarawakian friends at the back also. There are 4 of them came here today to lodge their report. Sabahans as well are here. All right. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen?
Secretary coordinating all this?
Actually, it's a teamwork thing. I'm doing under Global Human Rights Federation, all right, but together with the rest of the NGO and the good concerned public. Okay. Sorry. Sarawak, Bobby Parti Dansa Dayak Sarawak. Parti Dansa Dayak Sarawak. They are doing.
What's the topic?
No, that's the name of the anyway lah. That's the name lah. Anyway, Parti
Actually,
Dansa.
we have few.
We have few.
cannot
We can't remember much. Many of it. Pardon?
Yeah,
Yeah. You give me your contact. I will pass to you.
We'll
Yeah.
pass to you.
No problem, Jason. Okay. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen?
When did the Ustaz make the comment?
Okay, alright. This
Good
was made,
question.
I think, a few years back. But recently he made a video on the 1st October. He claimed that, oh, somebody wants to go and make a police report.
Arrogantly.
Arrogantly, nak menjatuhkan saya. Nobody want to menjatuhkan you. And he said that, ini saya buat 5 tahun lepas. Kepala otak kau. If I kill someone 5 years back, if I rob a bank 5 years back, can I say that I did it 5 years back?
No.
There's no such thing.
No such
Wrong
thing.
is wrong.
Wrong is wrong.
Finish.
Yes.
Okay, and he also arrogantly mentioned on 1st October on his Facebook video, he said that diorang ni masuk rumah kita bagi tempat duduk dekat ruang tetamu, tetapi nak masuk bilik pula. What nonsense that?
Apa maksud ini?
And he himself said on his own word that saya mana boleh hormat agama lain. Saya tak boleh hormat agama lain sebab kita tak boleh Islam saja. That means this was done deliberately with an ill intention. Now my question to Jakim, okay, being hypocrite on this matter. So what is happening in the mosque, in the surau, or by these preachers?
No, Jackie,
Have
what is
you
the
ever?
guideline you're giving for your
Yes.
pictures? What is
Are
the
you
guideline?
monitoring them?
Where is the guideline from Jackie?
Are you monitoring them? Okay, if you can find fault, do you see any Hindu priests or Buddhist priests,
don't.
Christian, Taoist, Buddhist, Sikh condemning or insulting other religions based on comparative of religion?
No.
You cannot see that.
Yes.
Never.
Because we love Malaysia.
We ourselves won't allow that to happen.
Another thing, he admitted in the video that he is the one who did it. That time I was thin, now
Yes.
So,
He himself admitted in his Facebook video on 1st October that he did it. Yes, he did it. That time was young time and 5 years back, something like that.
saya kurus.
It's not a
Sekarang saya
reason.
sudah gemuk.
Not a reason for you to do
Where
that.
is he now? Is there any location about his?
I have no
I
idea.
think in Perak. The surau was in Perak.
police was in Perak.
It was in Perak. He is based in Perak. It's based Perak.
Perak. Okay.
This guy, Kishore now is Kelantan.
Biadab.
Silent,
Okay. Those people studying in Sekolah Vernacular are biadab. Now, okay, all these people, you look, see this? Now you see, this is another picture. Penyembah lembu, penyembah batu.
Nah, kita nak
So
tahu,
who is instigating?
kalau perpaduan ini digugat di sekolah vernacular, sekolah Cina ataupun sekolah India, yang ustaz ni dari sekolah mana?
Kerajaan.
Sekolah
Dari
Tamil.
mana? Sekolah mana? Sekolah
Sekolah
vernacular mana? Cina ke Tamil?
Azmin.
Jadi perpaduan ni di mana?
Ini
Tergugat
Azmi
ni di mana? Saya nak tujukan soalan ini kepada ahli-ahli politik Melayu yang mendapat pension berjuta-juta tiap-tiap bulan. Kalau duit yang dia dah cari, rumah mewah, banglo mewah, berbilang kereta, boleh tak dia hidup senang? Kalau ada perbalahan, kalau ada pergaduhan, perpecahan di negara. Kalau negara huru-hara, kalau negara dah jadi lawat, ada pertumpahan darah, boleh tak mereka cari makan seperti yang mewah seperti sekarang?
Makanan habis.
You tahu tak apa implikasi kalau ada pergaduhan dalam negeri ataupun pertempuran? Ramai yang akan mati, pertumpahan darah, ada yang akan jadi anak yatim, ada yang akan hilang mata, hilang kaki, hilang tangan. Ekonomi akan jatuh. Negara akan jadi tanah dengan pasir sahaja. Jadi macam mana? Jadi saya tujukan ini juga kepada patriot yang selama ini menjaga negara kita, berbakti kepada negara kita. Apakah sanggup dia menggadai dengan perkataan yang dikeluarkan oleh ustaz ini? Ini soalan kita. Jadi saya harap patriot akan ada pendapat yang sama dengan kami. Kami bukan orang India, kami bukan orang Islam, kami bukan orang Kristian, kami adalah orang Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Okay.
Satu bangsa keluarga Malaysia.
Satu bangsa keluarga Malaysia.
Okay, just shout. Enough is enough. Jangan hina agama. Okay, enough is enough. Do not insult other religions. Enough is enough. Do not insult any religion. Enough is enough. Do not insult any religion. Enough is enough. Do not insult any religion.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
We want justice.
You see around this area, all here, we have Chinese, Indian, Malay, Buddhist, and everyone is here. We are Satu Malaysia, okay? We are anak Malaysia. Okay, don't talk all kind of things and separate us. Hindu people are not bad people. Christians are not bad. Muslims are not bad. Okay, what we need is justice.
Mr. Guna. Okay, this is our legal advisor, Mr. Guna is here.
Our legal advisor.
Okay, Mr. Arun Dorfani is here.
Jari card issues and all this kind of discrimination. This is him.
Okay. Arun, என்ன சொல்ல போறீங்களா? Please.
Okay, these are the team members. Okay, they have been working together to make Malaysia a better place. We have to overhaul this entire nation. Okay, Malaysia is still a third world country. Remember that, ladies and gentlemen. Whereby Singapore is a first world country. Why? Because discrimination, racism, okay, corruption. These three things will destroy a nation.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Arun, you like to say something?